how to chant, right? So this is the japa mala. This is what japa bag. So the japa bag has this hole, and I'll tell you why each of it is. So this is got 108 beads. You can use, this is tulsi mala, but you can use any mala. So this is because of, there are a few things which I want to highlight here. This is called Sakshi bead, and it's called a Krishna bead. You will count one full, here. So basically, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One fully. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One more full. Please do not do Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. Don't move for Hare Rama. That's the biggest mistake most of us tend to do at the beginning. Also, you don't need to sing like a Kankirtan. You don't need to go slow. You don't have to, it's a japa. So you don't have to shout. You say and your ears will hear. It's a two-way process. Please don't do multitasking. For all the kids who told I can't concentrate studies, I'm getting diverted, I'm not able to focus, this is extremely good because you are actually meditating. It says scientifically, if you engage two senses, in fact, one sense in one also is excellent. Here we are engaging multiple. Your mouth, your ears, your eyes watching, and your hands, right? So multiple senses are being engaged, and that will give you a great success for concentration. This will reduce anger, and all your issues will get resolved. What I can tell you is, don't do it for 1 week until nothing got resolved, because nothing acts in 1 day, right? So this is like a glass. So there are two glasses in my house, one which I have not washed for 1 week, and the one which I have not washed from yesterday. Externally, both look same, internally also. But when I wash, again, both look same. But what is the difference? The dust from a 1 week glass gets cleared more, right? Because there's more dust there. This one hardly has dust, right? So the cleaning process cleans the dust. Same way, this is a cleansing process for the heart. When you start this, Krishna starts doing it. And this is nothing to do with fashion, right? So when I used to go to work, I used to wear blazer, suit at 12 in the afternoon. And trust me, nobody made fun of this. And Chennai I am in, right? So there's so much hot heat. But the moment I carry a Jabamala, everybody looks at me as if something is wrong with me. Why? That is the situation. And on a lighter note, this is what happens. People are more curious when you carry this than when you carry an alcohol bottle. So why am I saying all this is because that is how the world is. Instead of me worrying about the world, let's start worrying for a second about ourselves, right? And after you finish one full round, right, you finish this, do not, you'll be here, don't step over it. It's called Sakshi bead, right? It's called Krishna bead. So don't step over it, turn it completely and start from here. So one full round is 108. After that, you turn completely and you do. One more thing which I would like to tell is, just choose the size of the bead which suits your finger. Don't take it so big, which is uncomfortable, or don't take it so small, which is also very uncomfortable for you, right? So please focus on that. And one more thing which I want to tell you is, this japa bag, you keep it inside. And two reasons why you keep it inside is, one, this mala should not touch the leg and all. So that is one, for cleanliness point of view. Second, even a very advanced level, the moment you start using these beads, there is a lot of power, which is positive energy in your language, which is transmitted here. So my only request is, keep it inside the japa bag. And this finger, you can put it here, because you do japa with the other finger. This pointing finger, you don't use. So with this finger, you keep it outside, so it becomes easier, right? So with this, I will, you all can chant. Today is the 5th day. So 30 times you can chant. I will do on mute, and you all can also do Shri Krishna. So with this, we will do. So this is how we will do, this. And I will, continue the session again tomorrow. Hare Krishna, right?